Okay, today we're going to take a quick look at the Intex water slide. I purchased this for my kids. Amazon has it. $169.89. I purchased mine about a month ago. I got it for $124.99, so they jacked the price up on it, probably because of the high demand. They were out of stock for a little bit. So with the slide, what you're going to get is a pretty nice slow slide. It's for my kids. My oldest is 11. He weighs about 100 pounds, says ages 6 and up. 10 feet 11 inches by 6 feet 9 inches, 3 feet 10 inches. It's got an inflatable stepping mat, multiple chambers for added stability, 176 pound weight limit, and it comes with a repair patch. So I got mine all set up. Let's go take a look. Okay, don't mind my kids out here. They're swimming. Here's the slide all set up. So as you can see, slide, it's got this little end piece. Also, it's got a piece that's underneath that goes against the pool, kind of keeps it in place from sliding back, which is nice. There's a handle on the side there. Then you get the water connection, and if you can see right there, this is how you fill it up. So what's nice is I can unscrew this and it opens up pretty big, and what I did was I took my leaf blower and I filled up the majority of it. Then I took a smaller pump that I have and I stuck it in there and filled it up. The water or the air won't come out because it's like a one-way chamber. Like when you blow in, it fills it, but it doesn't come back out. There's the hose connection. So you get a little small foot pad right here for people to climb up. Then there is these like cups for you to place your feet. More handles. Handles are pretty sturdy. I mean, this thing is pretty sturdy considering it's just whatever it is. And alright, so here's my son. He's 11. He weighs about 100 pounds. Whatever you want, go ahead. And there you go. Goes right down. It's got these little bases on the side that kind of keep it from tipping over. On a couple windy days when we've left it outside, it's blown to the side but hasn't gone far. Here's Max. He's gonna go down. Max weighs about 60 pounds. There you go. Let's turn the sprinkler on so you guys can take a look at that. And that's what it looks like with the sprinkler on. It's pretty nice, keeps it nice and lubricated, also keeps it cool down. It's about 85, 87 degrees today in Buffalo. No, it doesn't always snow in Buffalo. There's years where you could see the lawn all winter long. I know a lot of people think that Buffalo is nothing but snow, but if you want to check out a really cool city, Buffalo's actually got a lot of nice things to see, and we're about 5 minutes from the Canadian border. So here's Max going down again with it on, extra slippery. Go ahead, Frankie, go down. Let's check it out. So it's pretty nice. Sturdy. Haven't had a patchy yet, which is a plus, and these guys are big galoots going up this thing, so I'm pretty happy with it for $125 that I paid. Would I pay the extra? I guess I would. I mean, with everything going on, most people are hanging out in their backyards this year, so it's definitely worth the investment.
I'm gonna go on straight on my back this time.